Hello guys, you are welcome to Jenny CEO's channel. So in this video today, I will be sharing with you on how to make money while you are sleeping. You will just be sleeping like this. I'll be hearing okay, okay, alert. You just be hearing the thing. You just check your phone. Oh my God. You drop it. You hear another one. Bang. You check. You drop it. You will just be sleeping, relaxing, and your money will be rolling. So that's what I'll be sharing with you. So if this sounds interesting, make sure you watch this video till the end to get every details, guys. Even as a stay-at-home mom, you can do this. Even as a pregnant woman, you can do it. As a student, you can. Then as a working class person, you can do it. Then as a guy, as a handsome, you can do it. As a pretty lady, as a woman, you can do this business and make legit. So sit tight and watch. Alright guys, number one on my list is create an online store. Create an online store. That's number one on my list. So how do you do this? You can create a website where you arrange your things. For example, you have a physical product, you have digital products, you arrange them, you arrange both your payments, everything. It's well automated. You understand me? You don't need to touch anything. Maybe for example, when advertising and the person just clicked on your link, bam, it will just come there and ask the person, what do you want? You're welcome. Immediately the person will say, okay, I need this. But it will answer, yes, this is the price. That's okay, I want to make payment. It will still answer, okay, this is the account details. Then the person will go ahead and make payment. The next thing you will hear, bam, bam, you did not touch anything, and it's working, and it's cash, and you're cashing out. Then still your automated website can say, okay, yes, thank you for thank you for your patronage. Please come back next time, or make sure you send your review. That's all. So if you don't even have money to build website, you can use your WhatsApp. If you don't have WhatsApp for business, please go ahead to your Play Store and download WhatsApp for business, because WhatsApp for business can do all these things I just mentioned. So it's so amazing. So go ahead and do it. If you don't have that, you can have an e-commerce. You can go to Seller. Seller has made it easy, for you to have an online store. So just go into Seller and WhatsApp for business, then you are good to go. All right, guys. The next on my list is invest in stock. Invest in stock. And when you invest in stock, you need to make your research so you don't fall victim. Okay, make research. That's another way you can you can make money while you are sleeping. You invest in stock. The next one again, you need to create an online course. This is so amazing. Online course is so amazing. I remember when I was pregnant, I cashed out with online course like oh God. When people will buy my course, they were like, they don't even know that the person that even buying course was a pregnant woman. 9 months pregnant, I was still cashing out with online course. So you see, it's so amazing. So you just need to go ahead to make sure you have a skill. Have a skill online course. You can train people. Maybe if you are good in importation business, you can train people on it. You can make your own course on it. WhatsApp marketing strategies. You can make online course on it. So many interesting things you're good in. Make a course on it and start. Then if you don't know how to make a course, there's a website that help you go that helps in that. Udemy, Udemy. So it helps you, it helps you direct you on how you kind of training, so you know how to do all those things. Then the number 4 on my list is for you to invest in cryptocurrency. So they were like, are you sure all this crypto? Bitcoin has really, what is that? it works. The only thing you need to know is to make your research. I know of a man that, the guy, he was so, I don't even know what to say, he was so stranded and all that. So he used the little he had to invest in Bitcoin when it came out that first time. And do you know, recently, when it started selling, it has so much that, oh my God, he now is a billionaire because he invested in that. So you see how it's so amazing. So the only thing you need to do is to make research before investing. The next thing again you need to do for you to, another number 5 on my list on how to make money while sleeping, is to sell your skills on freelance websites. Sell your skills on freelance website. We have so many of them. We have Fiverr, we have Upwork, we have so many. So just go ahead. That's why you need to learn a skill. If you don't have any skill, go ahead and learn a skill so that you can start. Register on Fiverr, register on Upwork. Even in Nigeria websites, we have so many Nigerian websites where you can do all those things and also earn from them. So those are the things you can do. You just stay, after doing all those, Amazon is there, you do that and you start cashing out. You'll be sleeping and your alerts will be dropping. So these are so amazing. The next one again on my list, number 6, is to sell your product on Amazon. Very amazing. So as I said, you can even sell books. You can go to my video. I did a video there. I shared a video there on how to write a book in 5 minutes. You can write and publish on Amazon, register on Amazon as Amazon KDP. As you register, immediately you register, then you start publishing. Okay, when you publish, before you know it, you start cashing out. Even when you're sleeping, you just start getting alerts. So it's super amazing. And the next on my list, invest in real estate. Real estate is so amazing. Anything land, make sure you try to invest in them. Real estate is amazing, but before doing that, make sure you make your research. Okay, make your research, and before starting, you can invest in anything land. Is so amazing. If you have the money, get lands, and in the next 2 years, remember, lands appreciate, they don't depreciate. So, and as they appreciate, you'll be sleeping, and you can even you'll be sleeping and it's appreciating. Before you know what's happening, you sell it out and make massively. You can also invest in other things. Make sure you invest in real estate. So all these things I just mentioned are legit things you can make money from while you are sleeping. So just make sure you go through all of them and start immediately. Thank you for watching. Please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe, because in this channel we'll talk about how to make legit money online with proofs. Thank you once more for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to watch my other videos on how to make legit money online. See you in my next video. Bye for now.